Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. I am Harsha. I am a Pega trainer at Harsha Trainings, and we have started a new batch of Pega on October 4th, and 3 days demos have been completed. I request all of you please start doing installation and set up your machine. We have shared all the necessary information about how to download the software and how to install Pega software. Related to all this, we have shared you information. Okay, I request all of you please start downloading that and install by tomorrow at any cost. If you do not have laptop, kindly try to arrange the laptop by next Tuesday or maximum next Wednesday. And we will be available only on Saturday to help you or assist you between 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you have any issues during installation process, you can reach out to us on 9652532753. Our team will help you. And furthermore, I request all of you please kindly attend on Monday. That will be the first session where I will give introduction about Pega tool. Last 3 days I have given you some information about Pega PRPC and its opportunities, job opportunities in market, and also I given you information about coding is required or not required. And last 2 days I told you about the tool and its architecture. So I hope all of you are clear about all these things, and we have ample opportunities coming in. So please make sure that you are going to regularly attend the sessions and regularly practice. Do not miss the sessions for simple reasons and all. Okay, even though we are sharing the video, kindly take the live session. That is very, very important. For only some people it is not possible to take live, that is okay. But people who are for whom it is possible, try to make it. Okay, because you are paying and joining. It's not that you are getting it for free of cost to ignore. Okay, kindly please understand and try to gain good knowledge. We can show you n number of opportunities. Whether you have gap after education or you don't have job since past 10 years, no matter what is your profile, for me, because I know complete market, I can definitely show you opportunities if you are gaining good knowledge. Okay, so I hope you understand what I am trying to say. Kindly attend on Monday without fail. So usually people on Monday ignore to attend the sessions because it is Monday. Why it is? Because it is Monday means the body doesn't tend to support you to do anything on Monday. We'll generally, for any human being, we feel it little bit lazy on Monday. That happens even to me and everyone else. That's the reason we avoid it. Okay, but don't do that. Take it as a challenge, this training, this course, and you do it, definitely it is going to change your career for sure. Okay, Monday morning, same time, and kindly be available to the session 5 minutes before itself. And that's a request from my end. And installation, please try to complete today or tomorrow. Okay, I hope you understand everything. Thank you, and signing off, Harsha.